Matthew 16:25. For whoever wishes to save his life in this world will lose it through death. But whoever loses his life in this world for my sake, that is Jesus' sake, will find it. That is life with me for all eternity. We must follow Jesus this way because it is the only way that we will ever find life. It sounds strange to say, you will never live until you first walk to your death with Jesus. But that is the idea. You can't gain resurrection life without dying first. To die is to get rid of your old sinful self, repenting of all sin, turn around and step away from it, never to look back. 1 John 1:9. When you die to your old self, new things come, because spiritual awakening brings a new life. It is written, 2 Corinthians 5:17. So be it, it is done. Yes, amen.